4 businesses saved $173,000 combined on their commercial insurance here in the first half of 2020. Yesterday, I shared on part 1 the first step they all took and they had in common to help achieve this. That was due diligence. The second part I'm going to share with you today, and that's they made the decision to hire one broker. They did not quote with multiple agents after doing this due diligence. Did you know that 90% of the time when businesses go to the marketplace and quote, that they stay right where they're at? Well, guess who else knows this? Underwriters. Okay, so the 3 reasons why it makes sense to hire one broker. Reason 1, you want to impress the underwriters and you want them to get excited about your account. They're very busy people. They get a lot of submissions every month. Your goal is how do you get to the top of their priority list? Well, one way to do that is to have the submission be from one agent, not multiple agents. And when that underwriter asks me as an agent and says, hey, what's the competition looking like? And you can go back to them and say, we're the exclusive agent. They've hired us outright. We've gone to 4 other carriers and that is it. That underwriter just got a lot more excited, okay? The second reason why is that behind the agent, you have a marketing team and staff and people that are very busy. Well, they know that the odds of winning business via quote, if you're not the incumbent agent, are 10%. And they have other things to do as well. So the quality of your submission could even suffer because maybe the agent or his marketing team doesn't think that it's really worth their time. But the third reason, and I think one of the most important is you give up your power as a business owner or CFOs to decide who your partners are, who you want to work with, who you want to represent you. And here's what I mean by giving up your power. Let's say you're an incumbent agent you have a good relationship with, or some new guy you don't have a relationship with, but you really like what he's saying, and you divide up the markets. Well, let's say you're an incumbent guy, you're kind of over him, his service hasn't been great, but he has the best price and the best coverage. This new guy you've been talking to, great service, his price is just inferior and coverage is maybe equal. You're probably going to tend to stay with the better insurance carrier program, right? The better coverage, the better price. Well, that leaves you with agent A, who you're currently with, that doesn't provide the best service. This is what happens when you divide up the marketplace, right? You give up your power. Now you just let the insurance companies dictate who your agent is, okay? So those are the 3 reasons why I think it makes sense to hire one agent. If you're serious about having a quality submission out there, this is one of the first steps that you can take. Hire one agent. I know it can seem counterintuitive, and the only reason it would make sense to maybe not hire an exclusive agent is if someone came and talked to you that has an exclusive market, a really specialty program that only maybe a select few agents have, well then, sure, go talk with them and see what they have to offer. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and comment below. What's been your experience when you've tried to renew your insurance and get pricing from multiple agents? I'd like to hear from you. Thanks.